Supersonie clothing reviews app. The pros, the cons. If you're on the hunt for trendy and affordable clothing, the Supersonie clothing reviews app might sound like a one-stop solution. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a shopping app, and the surprising truth is that it focuses heavily on user-generated reviews, sizing accuracy, and material quality insights, helping you avoid buyer's remorse. The pros: users appreciate that the app offers detailed reviews from real customers, clear photos of purchased items, and honest feedback on fit and fabric quality. It's easy to navigate, and you can filter reviews by size, color, and style, which is a huge help when shopping online. The app also highlights trending products and seasonal collections, keeping you updated with the latest fashion. The cons: some users mention that shipping estimates can be inconsistent and occasional size discrepancies occur despite review guidance. Additionally, a few users note that not all items have extensive reviews, which can make decision-making trickier. In short, the pros are reliable user reviews, accurate sizing tips, and trend updates, while the con are variable shipping times and limited reviews for some products. The takeaway: Supersonie Clothing Reviews app is a helpful tool for fashion-savvy shoppers, especially if you value honest feedback before making a purchase. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more fashion app insights.